Hello.
Hello.
How are you, Anna?
I'm fine.
How's your day?
I'm happy.
You're happy. Okay, so did you go to school today?
Yes.
Yes, and are you busy at school?
No.
No. What did you do at school?
I play with my
You
friend.
play. You did not study your lesson?
I
Did you study your lesson? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. And what did you play at school?
play hide and seek
Oh, you played
and basketball.
basketball. Wow. Your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport?
Basketball.
Basketball. Me too. My favorite sport is basketball. So we will do a speed test for you, 6. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I want you to read the words first. What is this?
Convenient.
Good job.
Export.
Excellent.
Local. Progress.
Process.
Process.
Is it?
Market.
Package. Is it?
Market. Farmers. Market.
Market.
Agriculture.
Good job.
Corporate farm.
Yes.
Resize.
Decrease.
Decrease.
Is it?
Century.
Century. Good job.
Chemical.
Oh yes, very good. Okay, so we have questions here. People may do this food before they sell it. And we give 2 answers for that.
Local and market.
No, process and
Process and package.
yes, they process the food and they package it. Okay, before they sell it. Now we can get food from this place.
Farmers market and corporate farm.
Yes, very good. This describes some food in a supermarket. What is it? Give me 2 answers.
Local and convenient.
Very good. Yes, local. Okay, now this is a way to provide food for people. What is it? It's okay. Agriculture.
Agriculture
And-
and export.
Yes, you export food. Okay, like just like Philippines, we export rice from Vietnam. Okay, by the way, tell me about export. What do Vietnamese people sell or export to other countries?
The export rice,
Rice.
food,
Good job, fruits.
motorbike,
Wow, motorbikes.
car,
Cars.
and bicycle.
Good job, bicycle. Okay, now, what animals and plants do farmers raise and grow in your area?
They raise cow,
Yes,
pig,
pigs.
horse,
Horses, okay. And what about the plants?
sunflower,
Sunflower. Yes, okay, sunflower. What else?
carrot,
Yes,
beans,
beans. Okay, a lot of vegetables, right? Okay, so let's talk about this picture here. What do Spaniards export?
they export strawberry,
Good job. What do Americans export? Americans.
they export
What? Americans. Where is America there? Here. USA. Okay,
They-
USA.
they export sweet corn,
Good job. What do Ecuadorians export?
they export banana,
Good job. What do South Africans export?
they export apple,
Apples. And what about Vietnam?
they export rice.
Yes, you export rice. Job. Oh, talking about plants and vegetables. You're a farmer, right? You
Yes.
represent something?
Yes,
You have a presentation?
yes,
Okay, okay. Do you have a picture? No?
no.
No, you don't have a picture. Okay, I want you to face the camera and present it.
Hello everyone, my name is Nana. I am a farmer. Today I talk about waste. It is a yellow plant and when after it go like we can eat it. It is very delicious. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.
Okay, good job, Anna.